Hello everybody and welcome to the Crypto Session Brief. We're on Wednesday the 22nd of February 2023. We're approaching midday here in Europe and looking at crypto markets today. How are we tracking? Well, we are in the red for a second day running on BTC as we continue to get stuck at that 25k handle. Highlighted the importance of this handle on yesterday's brief. I will do so again. And we can see the several tests now we've had of this particular level and rejections so far. It's been a bit of a risk-off day across all global markets today, with equities seeing some flow out, dollar strength, and that's ahead of the FOMC minutes, which is the main volatility event of the day. To the downside on BTC, 24k is the support level. You can see we've held above there on the daily now for the past 5 trading days. We need to continue doing so if we want to be able to hold on to this handle and not see a fade of last week's big move higher into 24, back down to 21,850. Just to highlight, we have had the golden cross. What is a golden cross? Well, it's basically a bullish signal that typically foreshadows, let's say, short to medium term gains. We've got the 50 period, the red, crossing up through the 200 period, and now that's occurred. The last one prior to this latest one was on August of 2021, so over, well, just under 2 years ago now. So basically what it is suggesting is that we've now got the trend changing to the upside. I mean, you can see that in price action. It's just when you get moving averages, people tend to get a little bit more excited that this could be the confirmation, because they don't happen too often. You can see the last time we had a golden cross, I was talking about to the upside. This one is to the downside. That was the last one. You can see the trend did end up going lower the whole way. In fact, when we retested that 200, we had another rejection and the trend continued all the way. So now we've had a cross through on price action, and you've had the actual MA cross. It's usually some pretty promising signs, and you might even see some funds and getting involved now. You've had that confirmation of the cross. So that's something to be watching on BTC. Ethereum is also pointing to the downside today after getting stuck at its own resistance level of 1700. That's a level we've highlighted on these briefs now for a little while, and we continue to see some movement in and around there. When we get there, there's still some sellers awaiting. So again, looks like we need a bit of a momentum push to get us through. If we see a hawkish FOMC, that's not going to help. FOMC minutes, that is, today, that's not going to help sentiment, and you'll probably see a continued slide lower into 1550. Litecoin at 95, you've seen some support yesterday, another key level. We're doing quite well with these technical levels on Litecoin lately, this one being 91.60. We saw a nice bounce off there. That H4 bar, this one in particular, really nice reversal pin bar. We closed right at the top of the bar, really long wick off a key support level, really nice looking buy trade. We are just getting stuck at some what's now turned resistance at 95. You can see the closes on the past few H4 have been below 95, so now we need to see a climb back above this level if we're going to start a new trend higher and use that 91.60 as a bit of a springboard higher. That's it from my end. No major news around the crypto space today. I'll see you all inside the chat room. Until next time, all the best with your trading, and bye for now.